Hello everyone, good day to you all. I believe you guys are doing fine. You're all welcome to Prime Arts and Graphic Designing. So in this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to design a simple pizza flyer using the Canva application. So quickly, let's get started. So when you launch the Canva application, this is the default interface you'll be having. So the very first thing I'll be doing is to tap on this plus sign here like this, and I go to custom size. So this is the custom size we'll be using, a width of 1080 and a height of 1080. So quickly, I'll tap on create new design. Alright, so make sure you're having a good internet connection so that it can easily load all what is needed for this particular design. As you can see, I don't have a good internet connection. Alright, so once it's done loading, this is what I'll do right away. I'll go to my gallery and I make sure I import all the files or all the materials or images that I'll be using for this particular design. So I have them in a folder titled pizza designs. All right, pizza design. So let me just, since I can easily mark them all here, let me just mark them all and I begin to work with them. Okay, so right away I'm having them on my working space. So the very first thing I'll do is to position this one here where it needs to be in the location. I'll reduce it, position it here. Please, I'll be a little bit faster so I won't take much of your time. So follow closely, follow all what I'm doing closely. Alright, so this particular one, to rotate, you hold from this angle here and you rotate it like this. This is cool, and you increase the size. Alright, this one I reduce the size like this and I position it here. Alright, so after having it this way, this is what I'll do. I'll tap on this plus sign like this and I search for a rectangle. I go to elements and I choose a good square shape, right? A square shape that I can edit. Probably it should be this particular first one over here. So let me give it some time for it to load. Alright, this is it over here. So I size it this way like this, or like this is cool. Like this is cool. Like this, and I change the color to red. Okay, this particular red color here, tap on it like this, and this is what I'll do. I'll tap on this plus signs, this three dots, and I go to send backward or send to back. Once I tap on it like this, it will be sent behind. As you can see, it's behind. Alright, let me position it well like this. So I tap on it again, I tap on the shape, I make a I'm tap on it and make a duplicate, then I reduce the duplicate like this. It's not showing, so let me just quickly do it. I reduce it like this, and I go to position, I go to align, and I position it to the center. Here, I tap on the center, this particular center like this. Alright, so after positioning it, I take my time and I arrange these ones in alignment with it like this. Alright, this other image have disappeared. So let me just go to text. I'll import it when I'm done. I'll go to text, add a heading or a sub. You can use a heading or a subheading. So I'll be typing my number here. So that should be +237. Okay, that could be any number since it's just a tutorial. But if you're designing for somebody, that should be the number of the person. You come to format and you enable this B to give it some bonus. I'll position it here, reduce the size. Okay, then you make a duplicate of it. You make a duplicate You edit it and you type Bamenda Queen, like this, and you position it around the location like this, and you make a duplicate again. You type home delivery, like this, position it here, and you go ahead and enable the B. You know, Canva application is crazy at times. It's crazy at times. That is why you can see some of the materials are disappearing. But I'll import it back, I'll bring it back. So go to notch, and I notch it down. Okay. All right, please take your time and adjust it well. Take your time and make sure it's well adjusted. Right, you adjust it well. Okay, like this should be cool. So after having it this way, let me import this other let me bring back this other image like this, and I rotate it this way like this, and increase the size. Okay, it's here again. So I'm tap on this number, make a duplicate again, and I type Primes chips, Primes pizza and chips. Primes on the first line, and a pizza and chip on the second line. Pizza and chips. All right, on the second line like this. Wow, we're almost done. Like this is cool. So I'll position it somewhere here, increase the size. This is what I'll do. I'll go to color. Let me first change the color to white. Right, I'll go to B format, give it some bonus. Yeah, then I go to spacing. All right, to spacing, and I choose by the line spacing, and I reduce it like this to reduce the gap. And after doing that, I position it down here, and this is what I'll do. I'll go to effect. All right, this is effect down here. I don't know whether you're having it because I'm using the pro version. So I tap on effect like this, and I go to shadow, and I play around the shadow. I leave it offset. I increase the offset a bit. The shadow is not peaking, surely because of poor network. All right, so I give it a black color like this. Black color. Okay, this is cool. So we are done. Okay, we are done. After when you're done, this is what you do. You download it into your gallery. Like this. All right, like this. So when it's done downloading, this is what you do. You open the Canva application again. Right, you open the Canva application again. You go to new design, you go custom size, right, the same size, and you go to your gallery. I'll wait for it to load. Sorry. Right, so you go to your gallery and you import the design you just made. Mine is depending, so let me take advantage and pick it from here. Like this. Oh, I've chosen two, so I pick it from here like this. Let me delete one. All right, so as I'm having it this way, this is what I'll do. I'll go to my gallery again, and under my pizza folder, I'll import this particular background like here. Tap on it like this, add to page. I'll add it to page, like this. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, since it's not loading. All right, since it's not loading, this is what you do. I'm using the Canva Pro application, the premium version of Canva. So this is what you do. I don't know whether this will be available for your own. I don't know whether your own Canva will be having this effect. So you tap on effect. As you can see, mine is no, so probably because of poor network. Alright, since the effect is not showing, let's try again if we can load our background, our shadow rather. Okay, this is a shadow over here. So this is what you do. Take your time and you scroll it like this. Okay, till it fits this particular size. Like this. Like this is cool. And you go to notch and you take it up. You notch it up a bit. Let me increase the size. Okay, like this. So you highlight the flyer. Okay, you go to effect. Effect is showing. You go to effects. This is what you do. You go to you go to effects. You go to frames, and you can give it a frame, right? You can frame your work. You can give it a frame. Since we're not having a direct stroke here, let's give it a nice frame. Okay, so the frame I wanted to give is not actually there. It's not actually there. So this is what I'll do. After having this one like this, I'll go to this plus sign again. I'll go to this plus sign. So you go to elements and you search for a line square, and you locate a very thin line like this particular line over here, this line like this, and you change the color. You change the color to red, to this particular red. And this is what you do. You take your time and increase the size like this. Increase the size like this. Like this is cool. And you go to notch. You go to notch. And you take it up. You notch it up like this. Like this is cool. So after notching it up, you go ahead. You tap on this shadow again and you position it well. Please, this one is technical. It's very technical. So take your time and do it. Take your time and do it. Take your time and do it. After having it this way, then you go ahead and you type, or let me adjust it again. Alright, so this is how it should be. Let me change the color again to red color. Okay, so after having it this way, you go to text, add a heading, and you type designed by Prime Arts. All right, make sure you use your name. Or your brand name, because I don't want to see any kind of funny design there with my brand name. You get it? Please don't spoil my brand with a funny design. All right, so I think this is cool. After when you're done, you just simply tap on this check mark over here, tap on download, and you go to, from PNG, you tap on this particular arrow like this, and you choose but the JPG file best for sharing. You choose JPG file and you download to your gallery. Alright, we are done. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, guys. Though it was lengthy, but make sure you watch, grab the concept, and you try to reproduce it. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information and updates, not forgetting tutorials about smartphone graphic design.